Wonderspaced Explorers, it's time for our science activity. We discovered how Mr. Kwame had planned to build rockets, real ones. But instead of going to space, he found something even cooler right here on Earth, the moringa tree. So today, we're going to make our own moringa-powered paper rocket. This rocket is powered by the nutrients in moringa. Can you remember those nutrients? Vitamin C, iron, calcium, and protein. Are you ready to build? Okay, Wonderspaced Explorers, for this activity, you will need some colored A4 sheets, some sticks, an old bottle, an old wine cork. You also need some tape, scissors. You can use a compass, an X-Acto knife, but you need an adult to help you with this. Pencil and marker. First, we're going to cut out our leaves. Remember, this is a moringa-themed, super-powered rocket. So we need our moringa leaves. And you can cut out your shapes. So draw the shape of your leaf. All right, now you can go ahead and create as many of these as you like. You can use a marker to create veins. Okay, so you can position your leaves and then stick them on with some glue. Next, you're going to take your bottle and you're going to wrap your A4 sheet around the bottle. You want to make sure it's tight and firm because this rocket is going to blast off. One thing you can do to make sure it stays in place is to put some glue on the bottle. So now you're going to just wrap it. Okay, if you have some empty spaces, you can go ahead and fill that up with some more leaves. Okay, Wonderspaced Explorers, for this step, we need to raise our bottle up slightly so that we can access the inside of the bottle. So we're going to put it on some sticks. Okay, so let's stick down the sticks. We're going to use 4 sticks. All right, so we're getting there, Wonderspaced Explorers. Now these sticks help you raise the bottle so that once you pour in all your vinegar and baking soda and block it with the old wine cork, the cork has room to pop off and the rocket will blast off. So there's a reason for these sticks. Okay, so next we're going to do the top part of our rocket. A compass for this part of the activity. Okay, so now we're going to roll that, let it overlap, and then you're going to end up with a cone. Okay, so we're going to place it on top. All right, and now when it comes to the old wine cork, you may have to shape it so that it fits the size of the opening of your bottle. This is where you may need an adult to help you shape it down to the size that you need. Okay, Wonderspaced Explorers, now it's time for the fun part with the vinegar and baking soda, and you're going to see what happens when you mix the two. You need to do this outside because we're going to blast off. Wonderspaced Explorers, it's time for the fun part. Our rocket is going to blast off. You're going to need vinegar, baking soda, measuring cup, and a tablespoon. Lastly, you're going to need some kitchen towel or tissue paper. The thicker it is, the better. We're going to take our baking soda in our spoon. You're going to use 2 spoons. Now I'm going to lay it in a line. All right. Now you're just going to fold it over and roll. You need to fold it over at the base. Fold it over, and you're going to leave this side open, okay? So use some tape and stick this down. Okay, so it's important that you leave this side open, because once you drop it into the bottle that has vinegar and flip it over, what's going to happen? Some of it is going to pour out, and the reaction between baking soda and vinegar will cause it to blast off. Let's give it a try. So for this, you're going to need your vinegar. Now, it's better to have a funnel and a measuring cup. You can use 2 cups. The more vinegar you use, the higher up it's going to go. Okay, for the purposes of this activity, I'm just going to pour it directly in. I'm estimating about 2 cups here. I'm going to put in the baking soda. It's okay. Whoa! Our rocket is back on Earth. That was so exciting. And that's because we used vinegar and baking soda. Have fun experimenting with your very own moringa-powered rocket. Whee!